Okay, today we're going to talk about the permit process. Now, the permit process is going to vary slightly from jurisdiction to jurisdiction, but in general, it's a fairly straightforward process as long as you have everything dialed in and you complete the application in full when you're submitting it. Basically, it's just that. You fill out an application, you include the scope of work, we include the drawings or designs for the project, and that all gets packaged together to go to the building department. The building department, depending on what their requirements are, will either do an over the counter permit or they're going to have plan check. So, what's going to constitute the over the counter versus the plan check? Thankfully, for most of the remodels that we do, renovations that we do, kitchens and bathrooms, those are going to be over the counter. So as long as we've got everything dialed in again on that application and we submit the plans with everything that they're going to need, all of those things that are required for them to approve the application, that can help us with doing the over the counter. If, however, we are going to change the square footage of the inside living space of the property, that is that what basically will signify or automatically move us into a plan check. Plan checks can take a while. Plan checks take a minimum of 10 days. So far, regardless of which jurisdiction we're in, the two that we serve most commonly are Davis, California and Woodland, California. Those both have 10-day minimum plan checks. They can go longer. It all depends on staffing and all things that are kind of out of our control. So, again, that's the permit process. It can be very simple, but it can be very difficult if you don't have everything lined up and specifics to what the building department needs in order to do a quick turnaround. So when you're ready to do your project and we're done with the design, that's when we go take everything to permits. Once permits are issued, that's when we start scheduling the overall project and when we start scheduling our trade partners to come in and start work on the house. Not before. And the reason why not before is because, again, we'd hate to have one of those delays happen in the building department to when they're, which would have a kind of a domino effect on the overall project. It's much better, much makes the whole project go a lot smoother if we wait till the permit is issued and then schedule the trade partners and schedule the production side of your project. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you on the next time.